Right now, I've got my hands on the upcoming OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and we're about to go through a full unboxing together. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. As soon as you lift the lid, the first thing you'll notice is a small insert. It's a promo card that reads OPPO Find X9 Ultra, Hasselblad in the pocket. Let's give that a quick close-up. Nice little touch to set the tone. Now here's the phone itself. We'll keep it aside for a moment and check out what else is inside the box. Starting with the accessories, you get a charger right out of the box. Taking a closer look, this is a 100-watt supercharger, so you're getting some serious charging speed here. Along with that, there's a USB-C to USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a protective case. And honestly, this case is worth talking about. Up close, you can see it has a slightly brownish tone, and right there is the Hasselblad branding, which looks pretty premium. Now, let's move on to the back of the phone. This color is officially called ground plate, but to me, it definitely looks like a sleek black. When light hits it, you'll notice the OPPO and Hasselblad branding has a subtle golden shine. It looks really classy. You can also spot the design lines running across the back and along the sides, giving it a very refined finish. Focusing on the camera module, you'll see a metal ring protecting it on the outside. Inside, the glass has this interesting polygonal pattern, which adds a unique visual detail. There's also an LED fill light positioned in the top left corner. The overall texture kind of reminds me of leather-like feel, and it's really comfortable to hold. Checking out the left side of the phone, there's a dedicated mode button, something we usually only see on OPPO and OnePlus devices. Moving to the top, you get dual speakers along with a noise-canceling microphone. On the right side, you've got the volume buttons, the power button, and a separate camera button. This one stands out with its orange color. It looks great, but instead of physically clicking, it gives you vibration feedback when pressed. Now, flipping to the front, you're looking at a flat 2K display. According to the specs, it's a high-resolution panel, and even in this early stage, you can see smooth response when swiping through. Since the phone isn't officially released yet, we'll have to wait to fully test its performance. So that's it for this unboxing and first impressions of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. And honestly, I'd strongly suggest going for the black version. It looks absolutely stunning. This is just the beginning though. I'll be dropping a full in-depth review after the official launch on April 21st, along with details about the US pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye!